Hey guys, Young here with Overlandish. Welcome back to the channel, and as promised, here's my Tundra video. Sorry about the wind, it's blowing a little bit, and I don't have the guard on this camera because it muffles the audio quality, so you may get some wind interference in this. But today's video is on the Tundra and what I had done today, and that is, boom, I had local shop down here add these 2-inch A-Pilar cube lights from Rigid onto my Tundra there, and as soon as it gets dark outside, I will take this around. Hold on. Sorry about that. Quality remedial video production again here. It's getting to be a habit with this remedial stuff, but as soon as it gets dark enough, I'm going to take this around the block to a big parking lot that should be nice and vacant and dark, and go ahead and set the lights on these things as far as where I want them positioned with the low and high beams of the truck itself. But there you go. Stay tuned. Gotta wait for it to get dark. Alright guys, so I just got done focusing my new lights. I'm in a parking lot behind my house. I think I got them adjusted where I want them. I'm sitting in the truck right now with my action cam, which doesn't have any night quality type of video, but I'm hoping that you can see the difference here from the cab with this little camera. So this is with just my regular running lights, headlights, not running lights, but the headlights at low beam. I don't know if you were able to see the difference. Yeah, you can pick up a little bit of difference there. So that's low beam, that's high beam, and then this is the rigids that I just put on the A-pillars. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, I thought I'd try one more test. That last one was kind of in an open parking lot with not much to focus on other than the darkness versus the light, I guess. Where I'm parked at here at my condo, there's obstacles in front of me, bushes and a wall, so I wanted to see if you could really see the difference with this camera with some obstacles in the way. So lights off, regular headlights on, high beams on, and then let there be light. Oh, there you go.